How does ATP Flight School operate nearly 1,000 flights a day, all while keeping students safe? Let's find out as we go behind the scenes at ATP. With more than 40 years of experience, ATP operates much like the airlines do, with structure, coordination, and a focus on safety. Every flight is monitored in real time using ADS-B in systems that continuously show each aircraft's position and alerts the team to potential weather concerns or in-flight hazards. A dedicated operations team provides 24/7 support to students and instructors, coordinating with other departments as needed to keep training safe and on schedule. ATP's Airline-Oriented Safety Management System, or SMS, provides the structure behind that support.
At ATP, we operate a proactive safety management system, just like the ones they use at the airlines. At ATP, we use that system to gather information, analyze that information, and then make policy and procedure decisions moving forward.
It's a proactive, data-driven program that helps identify potential risks, implement safeguards, and continually improve safety across every level of operations. While the flight ops team keeps watch from above, ATP's maintenance crews on the ground make sure every airplane is ready to fly. ATP's fleet is renowned for its quality, reliability, and advanced technology, all backed by a safety-focused approach to maintenance.
ATP operates the largest flight training standardized fleet in the United States. We've invested significantly in new aircraft with modern avionics to increase in-flight safety and enhance reliability.
ATP invests in more new aircraft, ensuring students train in modern, standardized planes equipped with the latest avionics. Before an aircraft even leaves the ground, predictive maintenance systems flag potential issues early, allowing ATP's in-house technicians to fix them before they affect training.
ATP's in-house maintenance teams exceed regulatory standards. We use a very comprehensive tracking system. This ensures fleet readiness, fleet airworthiness, and maintains in-flight safety standards.
This commitment means fewer cancellations, safer operations, and a training experience students can depend on. Once in the air, students train using airline-oriented procedures modeled directly after how professional flight crews operate. Concepts like crew resource management and standardized callouts are introduced early in training, helping students build the same communication, discipline, and safety habits used by airline pilots. ATP's flight standards and safety teams continually refine these procedures using data from more than 600,000 flight hours each year. This helps the team spot trends early, guide flight policies, and refine route and airfield selections, all part of a proactive safety culture that constantly evolves. It's a continuous feedback loop. Every flight contributes to improving the next, ensuring ATP's training evolves with experience and that every student benefits from a culture built on safety and progress. From real-time flight tracking to structured training, it's clear that ATP's investment in safety is unmatched. Join me on another episode as we go behind the scenes at ATP.